So off camera, I removed some of the intake, some of the exhaust valves, and then some of the intake valves as well. So I just wanted to show you how I'm going to be removing it. And some of you might not like the way I'm doing it, but it's just the way I want to remove it. So yeah, so this is how I'm going to remove it. I did find a bit of a problem when I was removing the exhaust valves. Only one of it came out smooth, right? And I know that I'm hurting the guides when I remove it, but I'm probably gonna replace that as well. So but the intake valves comes out pretty well. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take out at least just one, and then after that I'm gonna give this a good wash, a good soak in some engine cleaner, and then after that then I'll be marking out how I'm going to be porting and polishing and flowing the head. So I'll just get to that quickly now. So I'm just taking a socket on the extension, putting it over over there, and then taking a hammer, just giving it a tap, checking. And that's one of the intake valves. To another one. I'm going to do an exhaust valve quickly. Yeah, so you can hurt you also. Dat is alright man. You will probably get hurt. So this is the issue that I found with the exhaust valves that I found on all of this exhaust valve so far. I don't know why this is. It could possibly be because of the damage that I showed you on the pistons. It could be that because of all the knocking of the valves that it could have actually bent the valves. So just one came out smoothly. So I'm gonna show you now and that's as far as it will come out. Other than that, it doesn't come out. So what I did was I took this and is this and this to knock the valve down. So and then I noticed that when it comes out, it has this on material of the valve guides. So I'm probably gonna have to replace that. But that's the exhaust valves that I don't know what the problem is, but the intake ones come out fairly fine. So I just wanted to show you that. I did not want to do all the valves, how to remove all the valves and stuff like that. At least you just saw one or two, whatever, how to remove it and stuff, or at least I'm showing you how I'm removing it. If you don't have a proper tool to put it in, yeah, because the tool is like so expensive, and I'm not gonna go buy me a tool like the special tool or whatever, and then I mean it can go in and out just like that. So yeah, so on the that's just me taking out the valves. Yeah.